Alright, Deus 2 now, 11-inch coil, version 2.00. Now this wind out here is getting sort of rough on me, but we're only going to be looking at 2 programs in this machine, Sens FT and Fast. I'll probably leave them both in pitch tones, same audio response settings, same sensitivity setting. I'll be talking about what the silencer is in both of these programs to show you some behavior, okay? That's a high carbon concrete nail there. You see it standing up on that 2x4. This is sensitive FT. Now that's all that's down there is that nail. Silencer 1, pitch tone. Now that nickel is going to be put right down there. So I'm over there in particular with this call. You hear what we hear. Iron tone. Okay? There's no real lock-on kind of signal there. Fast program, silencer 1. Pitch tone. Again, we're going to be over here with that nickel. Eventually, let you hear what that detector sounds like. Okay, so now I've added this nickel here to this old high carbon concrete nail there. You see that nickel? Now this block is going over it, so I don't hit my nail with a coil. So you see we're going to be clearing the top of that nail with this coil. Okay, these programs are set up the same in the window. This is silencer 2, sensitive FT and Fast. All the notch removed, both programs, speed 2.5. Okay, Fast program up first. You see that meter. Okay, I like to give an 8 and a 9. Sensitive FT, no notch. One-way signal. Sometimes gives ID, sometimes it don't. Back to Fast program. Two-way signal with a single 0809 in the meter. Back to sensitive FT. Okay, so in that scenario right there, using pitch tones, the Fast program is outperforming sensitive FT. Now what I will do, and it enters this video, change to full tones. I'll see what we get. So we still don't get anything, okay? I'm going to turn the camera off because the plot thickens here. Okay, now both programs are still at silencer 2, notch of 0 through 10, same 2.5 reactivity, okay? Notch 0 through 10, Fast is up first. So we lost our iron volume and we've lost the nickel, both, okay? Sensitive FT, notch of 0 through 10, one-way signal, no ID. Okay, back to Fast. I seen an 80 come in that window in that sensitivity finally. Fast program. 90 sensitivity in both. Quiet as a mouse. Back to sensitive FT. You hear that one-way signal? Okay, let's turn this camera off briefly. Okay, now both programs still at silencer 2, speed 2.5. I'm not changing the speed in this video, okay? Now the notch is 7 through 10, both programs. Here's Fast program first. We hear iron tone, we don't hear the nickel, okay? Sensitive FT, 7 through 10 notch. Now we hear the nickel and we hear iron tone, okay? Turn the camera off. Okay, now silencer has been lowered to 1, both programs. No notch. Fast program up first. Two-way signal. See that meter? Got a 10, 9, 8. Okay. Sensitive FT. Silencer 1. No notch. See that meter? It likes to go 7, and when I come across it from the left, it gives that 87, 78, 75. Okay, stand by. Okay, now both programs have 0 through 10 notch, silencer 1, fast program up first. Not much there. No iron tone, no nickel. Sensitive FT with a 0 through 10 notch. Two-way signal. No iron tone. Back to fast program. Very little there, okay? You hear that? Back sensitive FT. Okay, stand by. Okay, both programs still at silencer 1. Fast program up first. A notch of 7, 07 through 10. We hear iron tone. We don't get that nickel. Sensitive FT with a notch of 7 through 10. Two-way signal. A silencer 1 in both. Stand by. Okay, this little clip here, fast has been reduced to 0 silencer. The notch is still 7 through 10. Okay? What happens? Pitch tones now. You see what we're seeing in that meter. Okay, back to sensitive FT. This is silencer 1, the same notch, 7 through 10. We'll sweep a little faster here. You get to listen to that signal quality and that sensitive FT, and then here's the fast at 0 silencer. Okay. Okay, in this clip here, fast has been lowered to 0 silencer, and I've left sensitive FT to 1. Both have a notch of 0 through 10. Fast program up first. I do see some high reading out there on that screen occasionally. Okay, now that's the fast program at 0 silencer, sensitive FT at 1. Same notch, 0, 0 through 10. ID in that window coming in the 70s, low 80s is happens more often. Okay, comparing what you see in this clip right here. Okay, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed.